Greetings, I am Adrian Bahar from Unicom English Literature. In the Department of English Literature, you will learn how to study a literary work, prose, novels, poetry, fairy tales, drama, films, and even songs. Studying literature is different from simply writing a review, but must be based on various excellent and correct theories and analytical methods. In English literature, you will become more competent in your English skills. And in this video, I want to give my review. My opinion and review can be about studying English literature at Unicom, the joys and sorrows, experiences, and what I got while in Unicom English Literature. I will review per semester from semester 1 to semester 4, giving a pleasant impression each semester. Starting from the first semester, I remember the short movie assignment for the listening and speaking subject from Miss Denden. It was a group project, so we had to make the movie together. The short movie we made was a thriller genre and made by a group A, which is me in the group. In the movie, we speak full English and we act as a short movie in general. From the movie, we can learn how to speak and have a dialogue in English. The task of the short movie was assessed from our English pronunciation and dialogue. We finally finished the 20-minute short movie and the results were quite satisfying for us. I am going to the next semester, which is semester 2. For this semester, one of the tasks I highlight is the reading and writing course assignment. At that time, I made an argumentative essay assignment with the topic I took, which is the application of new normal in an offline school, a topic that I took during the early days of the pandemic and was an interesting topic also. The knowledge gained from this course is that we will be much more critical in making an essay. We also learn what is called brainstorming in this course to add skills in our essay making and the benefits I immediately feel when I completing the assignment. For the third semester, I studied one of the courses called Advanced Grammar. This is arguably an upgrade version of the previous semester grammar course. I felt that this course was much more advanced when I started studying in this course, because the name of the course is also called Advanced Grammar. The lessons are pretty easy to follow and understand. The benefits of the knowledge gain are many and valuable because this is a vital subject in English literature, so it must be studied seriously. For the last semester, I will review the semester I am currently in, which is the fourth semester, semester 4. I want to talk about the subject presenting in English, a course in English literature that studies how to speak and presenting using English correctly and adequately. In this course, we also learn to become news presenter. As far as I have learned in the course, I am very excited to follow this course to the end. That is all I can say about learning English literature, and that is all about my review. I am Adrian Bahar. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.